Alright, well, I'm going to put a 912 on this end, and then the other end going that direction. I'm just going to let it extend out past. That way I can run my fascia board into the side of it, and then I'll make a cut and it'll be nice and smooth. So let's go ahead and put the 912 on this end, and we'll get it put back up there. Hey guys, welcome back to Thehobbyfarm Homestead. You just seen me doing the one side of the rake. The battery was kind of messing up on my camera. That was yesterday, so we are going to do the other side, and hopefully I get quite a bit of footage on that side. First we got to get the ladder set up, and then we'll get working on that, and hopefully we get some metal on this thing today. I'm not really sure. It's a little bit windy, but if it stays like this, we should be able to do it. I'm definitely not going to take any big risks or anything like that. One, the metal is super expensive. Two, I don't want to get hurt. So we'll see what we can get done today and go from there. So let's get those ladders up. All right, we got that rake on. Now all we got to do is finish up that fascia. Little piece down there at the end, and then that's it. Then we can start getting ready to put metal on. Some of these boards are pretty wavy up there. Not a whole lot I can do about it. I mean, it's an old barn, so not really sure. But for now, we'll finish up that fascia and make sure there's no high screws anywhere or nails. Place what we can of the wood, and hopefully this wind dies down a little bit. It's just a little too windy. So we can get some metal on this thing and get it closed in. I'm not sure if I can get into that second one before the weather fails on us. We're supposed to get some 20-degree highs in about a week and a half, and then the time changes tonight. So a lot of stuff working against me, but if I can at least get half of it done before spring, I'll be in good shape. Okay, got all the scaffolding up. Now my next thing is, kids are riding a go-kart right now. Next thing is to get this fascia board straight. Those raptor ends kind of go up and down, so it's kind of real hard to get it straight. So I'm just going to put a good eye on it and get it as straight as possible. These older barns, like I said, they're just not real easy to work with, trying to get things straight. So let's do that. Let's get the thing all straight up. I got a little bit of 1x to put on an end, and I think we're ready for the steel. So let's see what happens. tomorrow, looks like the wind's going to die off throughout the night. It's supposed to be a little bit of a windstorm tonight, or a rainstorm. So hopefully it goes away, and that'll give me a chance to get this metal on. It should only take me a couple hours to get this metal. Once I get the first piece squared up, ready to go, it shouldn't take me that long. But we're going to get back at it tomorrow, guys. It's just a little too dangerous today. So I'll see you tomorrow. Morning. All right, it's the next day. The wind has died down a little bit. There's still a little bit of wind. So I'm going to try it. First thing I need to do is go up there and get a measurement, exact measurement of what to cut the metal at. And I got to fasten the very end of the purlins to the rake. And then we can start putting this metal on. So let's go get that measurement.
You got it, Paul. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay guys, well this side's finished. Really had to work through the wind today. It's still kind of windy right now. We just had to go ahead and do it because with the time change and all that other good stuff, I wouldn't be able to work on it after work. So we just went ahead and worked through the rain or the wind. It did get a little sketchy there a couple times here and there, but it went pretty good. I had help from my dad and my wife, so that helps a lot when there's help on the ground. You don't have to go up and down the ladder so much. So that's one half. Now I got to watch the weather and see when I can do the next half. Hopefully here in the next week or two I can get it done, and that way it's done. Now all the trim pieces, they're on special order. This color was in stock at Menards, but they didn't have any of the accessories, so you had to special order all that stuff. So it's going to be a little bit for those to come in, probably a month or so, but hopefully I can get both sides done and then do all the trim work. But until then, that's it on this this side for at least. Then we're going to continue on the next side, but that'll be a little bit down the road. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Throw a comment down below if you see me doing something wrong, or maybe some tips I could do something better on, anything. And if you're not subscribed, please think about subscribing, because we do videos like this all the time. All right, guys, I'll catch you on the next one.